Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to make a transformer for buck and boost converters. So here I have used this kind of transformer in my many buck and boost converter videos, like here this TL494 base 2 and also this UC3843 base 2 converter. So a lot of viewers are commenting the problem regarding this transformer or the full buck and boost converter modules. So here I'm gonna show you this how to make properly and proper calculation of this transformer so that it will not give any problem. So here I'm drawing the diagram of a transformer. So here this is the core and this is the primary side of the transformer in which we give input voltage, and the other is your secondary side. So here if we look at this transformer, so this is basically a flyback transformer in which two coils are coupled through the common core. So in this kind of transformer, the main made concerning thing is that the direction of coils must be inverted. Or if you look at the primary side of the coil, so the starting point is shown through the dotted point, and the current direction is also shown in the primary side. So here you can see the dot line in the secondary side will be opposite, because the working of a flyback transformer is just like when we put current in the primary side, so the energy will be transferred in the core through the primary side, and when the primary side is being shut down, then the energy will transfer from core to secondary side. So that's the working of flyback transformer. So for that, here we need to make the coils direction in the opposite, so that the positive and negative output will be properly connected. So here for the calculation we require some data like the height of the core, which is 9 mm, or the width, and here the inner diameter of this core, which is 14 mm. And after this here we requires outer diameter of this core, and here this is of 24 mm. And for the calculation I have used coil32.net online site. You can use any online calculator for that, or formula for that. So here what you see, this is a 1 mm copper wire, and if we look the measurement, then it's almost 1 point something, but I'm considering is 1 mm. So I am using this so the diameter of wire is 1 mm, and I have calculated all the thing like the length of the wire and number of turns. So I have calculated all in the coil32.net. So the transformer will be or 100 microhenry. So for that I have to make 9 turns for the primary and secondary winding. So here I am using two separate conductors and making 9 turns in the same direction. But the main thing which is very important after making this, I will tell you. So first we have to make the number of 9 turns, and here you can see I am properly fitting, not losing any wires, so that it will not make any sound or noise. So first make the properly, and here after this the coil is being ready. So here you can see ninth turn, 8th turn, and after this 9th and 10th turn. So the transformer is ready, and here you can see the starting and ending points of both coils. So first we have to make sure which coil is in the same conductor, which means first we have to separate the both coils. For the that I'm using a multimeter and selected the continuity mode, and you can see this is the primary and this is the secondary. Now look at the transformer. So here this is the main portion of which we need to understand how this is, how the connection of this flyback converter is done in the buck and boost converter. So here what you see, I have made the same diagram as the primary and the secondary. So the dotted point which is the starting point of the primary side, and this is I have considered as a positive. So this will connect at VCC input, and this is will connect the pin of the MOSFET drain pin in the converter circuit, and here the ending point of this is connected to drain pin of the MOSFET. And if you look at the secondary side, so this is the main very important thing. So when I chooses the starting point in the primary side is positive, but in the secondary side the starting point of the coil will be negative and the ending point will be positive. So this is the opposite direction, or the ending and starting point is very important in the flyback transformer. So here I have also marked with a dot in the primary side as well in the secondary side. You can also see the diagram of any flyback transformer in the online browser, so that you can understand any problem regarding this. So this is the final version of this TL494 based buck and boost converter transformer, as well as the UC3843 based converter. So this is the today's video of this transformer, and if you like this video then like and also subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.